Hi, this is Lamisa from Norstar, and today we're going to talk about the importance of the gate locking rings on our trailers. On the trailers that have a three-way gate, we use a 1-inch clevis pin and locking ring to secure the dump gate to the trailer. It's important to note that the head of the clevis pin should always be inside the dump box, while the locking ring should be on the outside. This installation method prevents debris from knocking the clevis pin and locking ring out. When you want to fold your gate down, it's a straightforward process to remove the locking ring and the pin. These locking rings not only ensure safety and security, but also make your life easier. You can trust Norstar to provide you with the best quality trailers. Join the stampede and find a dealer today to experience the convenience and reliability of our products.